Hey everyone! In this tutorial, I'll show you how to use ChatGPT on Android without entering a phone number. This is useful when you only need a quick answer and do not want to create an account. Start on your home screen and swipe upward to open the app drawer. Find ChatGPT and tap it. The app opens to a guest chat. If the keyboard appears automatically, press back once so the whole screen is visible. At the top right, you can see Log In. Leave that button untouched, because basic guest chat works without opening a sign-up form. Near the bottom, find the box labeled Ask ChatGPT and tap inside it to bring up the keyboard. No phone number, password, or verification code is requested. Now type a simple question. For this example, enter, "Give me 5 quick morning routine ideas." Check the wording, then tap the blue Send Message arrow on the right side of the composer. Keep the app open while ChatGPT creates the answer. The response appears in the same guest conversation without asking you to log in. ChatGPT gives us 5 separate morning routine ideas. Swipe downward once to revisit the first item, then swipe upward slowly through the full response. Under the answer, you can also see Copy, Read Aloud, Share, and more actions. The important proof is that the question was accepted and the complete answer is visible, while Login remains unused. You can continue the conversation too. Tap Reply to ChatGPT and type, "Turn this into a 10-minute routine." When the sentence is ready, tap Send Message again. ChatGPT uses the first answer as context and creates a follow-up called 10-minute morning routine. The guest session handles both questions without a phone number. Review the timed routine, then tap Menu in the top left corner. The drawer explains that Login or Sign Up is for saving chat history, sharing chats, and personalizing your experience. None of that was required for this quick guest question. Tap New Chat to return to a blank Ask ChatGPT screen. To recap, open ChatGPT, leave Login untouched, tap Ask ChatGPT, type your question, and tap Send Message. Use Reply to ChatGPT for a follow-up, or Menu and New Chat to start over. If this helped, like the video and subscribe for more Android tutorials. Thanks for watching.